For my semester project, I chose to build a miniature water turbine. Hydropower is one of the most commonly used means of alternative energy due to the abundance of resources to build it and the fact that they can be used in most places where you can find a body of water. My miniature turbine harnesses the mechanical energy of water flowing out of a sink faucet to spin the turbine blades, spinning the rotor, which is going to create a flow of free electrons in the stator. The turbine is made of four main components: the housing, the turbine blades, the rotor, and the stator itself. There are also a couple of helper parts involved, which would be the shaft and these two plastic tubes right here to keep the turbine in the center of the housing. The turbine is made from a foam cylinder core with 11 spoons stuck equidistantly around the center. The housing is made from an old windshield wiper fluid bottle, which I cut the back and the bottom off of in order to create enough space for the turbine to fit. The stator is made from 4 copper coils of about 200 turns each, connected together in a clockwise counterclockwise function or pattern, and the 2 free ends on the 4th and the 1st coil free to connect the voltmeter up to. Now, the reason for the coils here is that when the rotor is spinning over it, the coils make it so that there's a tightly dense, packed bunch of electrons that can be moving at once, creating more power. The coils are super glued onto this cardboard circle right here and connected to the housing using paper fasteners. The rotor is made up of 4 rare earth magnets that are equidistant from the center of the shaft in a north-south pole pattern. And they're super glued to another piece of cardboard. The north-south pole pattern creates an alternating magnetic field for the electrons in the stator to follow, which creates an alternating current or AC current. And the rotor is then super glued to the shaft there, which is going to be super glued to the turbine once it's inside the housing unit, to create any potential, or to prevent any potential slippage. This kit's going to be assembled shortly, and in the next video you'll get to see it in action and get to see the results from the project. Thank you.